Good morning, my kids! Welcome to my classroom. This is Miss Sarah with you. Today we will learn about letter T. Say good morning to letter T. Good morning, letter T. This is a capital T and this is a small t. Repeat after me. Capital T, small t. Now let's make the letter T sound. The sound of letter T is T, T, T. And now we will know some vocab about letter T. T is for, wow, it's a tree, tree, ta, ta, tree. And T is for, wow, it's a tiger, 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 ta, ta, tiger. Let's continue. T is for, wow, it's a train, train, ta, ta, train. And T is for turtle, turtle, ta, ta, turtle. Let's revise. T is for tree, ta, ta, tree. T is for tiger, ta, ta, tiger. T is for train, ta, ta, train. T is for turtle, ta, ta, turtle. T, tree, T, tiger, T, train, T, turtle. As usual, here is a tip for you. A tiger is a wild animal. Wild animal. Okay, thank you. See you later.